When Eve was born, the doctors didn't expect her to live. She defied the odds, but the blood transfusions that saved her life carried a deadly legacy. 11 years on, she died in her mother's arms.
I'm not afraid of dying. Because last year I got told I only had about a few weeks to live because I was so sick.
1,400 children just like Eve are infected every day as the virus continues to cut a swathe of 500,000 children deaths per year across the world. Narhex has been able to develop a series of very active anti-HIV compounds. These electron microscopy photographs show the infectious virus characterised by a dark condensed centre. Yet in this next photo, the newly produced virus is immature, as can be detected by the lack of the dark centre. This is a direct effect of DG protease inhibitors. After confirmation of the significant in vitro activity of these Narhex protease inhibitors from the National Institute of Health Laboratory in the United States, the Narhex team then entered into a short-term multiple dose treatment of HIV-infected patients. The plasma was shipped for viral load assays to the US and Australia. The results to date have been very positive. DG Prodrug was associated with significant reductions in HIV viral load and, in parallel, increases in CD4 cell counts. Crossing the blood-brain barrier makes DG Prodrug an important component of antiretroviral therapy. The detection of DG Prodrug in cerebral spinal fluid (CSF) samples indicates that this protease inhibitor penetrates at least one of the regions of the body in which HIV replication must be inhibited if a cure is to be established. The results clearly demonstrate that DG Prodrug had no significant adverse effects, had no effect on major organ functions, and was very well tolerated. To put this into perspective, clinicians experienced with the administration of market protease inhibitors reported that up to 60% of their patients developed mild to severe gastrointestinal problems within 3 to 7 days. Protease inhibitors with the ability to penetrate the blood-brain barrier with fewer side effects to improve compliance and combat resistance build-up are needed.